In this video, you'll learn how to use Binance Pay for merchant payments. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to navigate the app and complete transactions securely and efficiently. Begin by opening the Binance mobile app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Binance Pay option within the menu or under Wallet Tools. Depending on your region, you may need to complete identity verification. This verification is essential for your account security and to comply with local regulations before moving forward. Ensure that you have a sufficient balance in a supported cryptocurrency, as this is necessary for processing payments. Additionally, check which wallet Binance Pay utilizes for funding to avoid any issues during transactions. Once your account is prepared, you can proceed to make a payment. Select the pay option within Binance Pay. You will then be presented with two choices: scanning a QR code or using a Pay ID. If you choose to scan a QR code, do so carefully to ensure accuracy. After scanning, confirm that the merchant name displayed matches the store you're intending to pay. Enter the payment amount and select the cryptocurrency you wish to use for the transaction. If there are conversion details shown, take a moment to review them. This ensures that you are aware of the exchange rates and fees involved. To finalize the payment, confirm it by entering your PIN or using biometric security features. After completing the payment, it is important to verify the transaction status. Look for confirmation within the app that indicates the payment has been processed successfully. If necessary, save the receipt or transaction ID for your records. You can also review your payment history to track past transactions. In the event that the merchant reports any issues with the payment, check the transaction status before attempting to pay again. This step is crucial in preventing disputes or double payments. Additionally, keep screenshots of your transactions as a precautionary measure. And remember to never share your verification codes with anyone to maintain your account security. Throughout this process, be mindful of the file size for any receipts you may need to save, as larger files can take up more space on your device. Ensure that you have enough storage available before downloading or saving any documents related to your transactions. If you experience slow upload speeds, this may affect your ability to share payment confirmations quickly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.